Hello again. July has been a busier than usual month for us here, as we've had our heads down to focus hard on our critter system. We're excited to share the progress we've made so far, so let's get to it. First up, we've begun work on the Iguanodon TLC. While this dinosaur is only receiving minor updates to its actual 3D model, the larger improvements actually come from the changes to its animations to help bring out the sort of burly front-heavy character that the Iguanodon has. You can see here in this before and after that both changing its proportions and improving its animations really changes the way the creature feels overall. We're also working on improving its abilities by focusing more on rearing up onto its hind legs to deliver its trademark devastating thumb spike slashes, and by improving the reliability of said attacks landing. We'll be sharing more about this in the future, so keep an eye out. The Iguanodon TLC is the second stepping stone for our hadrosaurs, with Lambeosaurus being released just a few months ago. Next up, our art team has been focusing some attention on our Homecave system via a number of fun new Homecave decorations. These new decorations vary from more natural options such as tall grasses, kelp, and various types of bushes to place down, but will also include unique and unusual options including grass arches and structures crafted from branches and roots. Next, on the critter front, alongside the new Dinosaurus and Wadiosaurus critters we mentioned in the last dev blog, we've been continuing our work on the critters through this month with even more in the pipeline. While our aggressive critters are still work in progress, we are planning on adding other types that provide different gameplay behaviors. For example, while the aforementioned Dinosaurus will be quite antagonistic, there are other critters we want to be a little bit more skittish while also being threatening. And that next critter is the Silesaurus. This is an early dinosaur form from the mid-Triassic period with exceptionally long legs and small sharp teeth. While it primarily eats insects and smaller prey, we plan for this critter to be a fast mover to create danger for small, slow-moving creatures that get too close to its personal boundaries. However, if it spots any larger creature, it will turn tail and run for the hills. Currently, we are only in the initial concepting and modeling stage, but we are making quick progress and hope to have more to show next time. Shifting gears a little bit, we also wanted to give you an update on our digital art book. Veteran players may already know about our plans for this book, but it's been a while since we last updated you on its progress. For our newer players that are curious, the digital art book for Path to Titans was a perk option available to backers during our crowdfunding campaign back in 2019. We've been quietly working on the art book in the background, and we are excited to announce that we are getting close to finalizing it for release to backers. This digital art book will include high-quality art from our developers and the game itself, including concept art, 3D models, and various pieces of key art from major game updates. Each page will also contain commentary from the Path to Titans team on each topic. Here are a few preview pages of what we've been working on. Please keep in mind, however, that the completed digital art book will only be delivered to backers who purchased the digital art book perk during the aforementioned 2019 crowdfunding campaign, and unfortunately can no longer be purchased at the moment. We will keep you updated when we have more news to share. We wanted to announce the launch of our Game Webstore. The Webstore displays all the same information found in the in-game store, such as dinosaur packs and skins. You are able to purchase Path of Titans coins through the Webstore as well. Using the Webstore, you are also now able to gift items and bundles to friends or other players. Be sure to check out the link in the description if you are interested. We have also introduced some highly requested features from the community. Players can now change their Alderaan Games display name by visiting our website and viewing their account settings page. Please note that the first display name change is free, but any additional changes will cost a small amount of Path of Titans coins. While you're in your account settings page, you can also now change your Alderaan Games avatar and accent color. Mix and match them as much as you'd like to create a unique look. We have some new foliage content from our art team to talk about as well. We've recently made good progress on our set of Wallamai pine trees, as shown here. These towering prehistoric pines will be coming to the forest biomes to add a little more visual diversity to the environments and really spruce up the look of our wooded areas. Lastly, we wanted to keep you up to date on our progress with the storage manager. We've been hard at work on it and are nearing the finish line now as we work on final tests and fixes before it's ready to go out to the public, with a focus on making sure it's stable across all platforms. As always, we want to thank you for your ongoing support and interest in Path of Titans and our progress on the game. We also wanted to let you know, as a quick note, that the Extinction Skin Pack is leaving our store soon, so please check it out in-game or on our web store if you are interested. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next month.